Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today I have with me JBL Live Flex Earbuds, and in this video I am going to show you how to use these earbuds with 18 tips and tricks. So let's start. The first tip is about how to connect these earbuds with your device. So first of all, open the Bluetooth settings. I will bring down this quick panel. Here is the Bluetooth icon. I will press and hold it like this, and then I will turn on Bluetooth. Now what you have to do, you have to put these earbuds back into the charging case. So I will put this right earbud, and then I will also put this left earbud. Now what you have to do, you have to close this charging case. So you have to close it for 2 seconds, and then you have to open it again. So once you open it again, here you will see a notification about JBL Live Flex, and it will ask you if you want to connect it. So here you can see it is asking me about JBL Live Flex. So I will select this connect option, and then it will start making a connection. So it will take just a few seconds. So now here you can see everything is done. You can skip this Google option. So here you can see JBL Live Flex is now connected with my device. The next tip is about JBL Headphones App. So if you want to use all the features and functionalities for these earbuds, you have to download an app. So open the Play Store and search for JBL Headphones. So here I will write JBL Headphones, and you can see it is giving me the option. I will select it. So here is the JBL Headphones app. So I will install it. The app is installed. So I will open this app, and here you have to make some settings. First of all, you have to accept terms and condition, and then you have to allow nearby device permission. You have to allow it again, and then after a few seconds it will start making a connection with your earbuds. So here you can see you have this option of get started. Just select it, and then you can set up your headphones later. And here you can see JBL Live Flex is now connected with my device and ready to use. The first setting is about active noise cancellation. So just open the JBL Headphones app and select JBL Live Flex, and here you can see the very first option is about noise cancelling. So what you have to do, you have to take out your earbuds, and then you have to wear it. Once you wear it, it will activate the active noise cancellation. So you just have to wait for a few seconds after wearing. So here you can see the noise cancelling is now turned on. You can also customize ANC. So here you can see customize ANC option is available. Select this arrow, and here you can see currently it is set to adaptive ANC. So it will automatically adjust the ANC level based on the surrounding noise level. If you turn it off, it will give you the manual option to select the ANC level. So here I can select it manually by myself. So you can customize it to any ANC level that you want. The next setting is about Personify. So you can personalize your sound profile based on your gender, age, and preferences. So for example, I select this start option. So here you can select your gender, your year of birth, and listening experience. Once you select this next option, it will check the environment noise, and then it will also check the left earbud ceiling, and it will also check the right earbud ceiling. So this is how you can personalize your sound profile. The next setting is about Equalizer. So here is the Equalizer option. Select this arrow, and then you can turn it on from here. Now here it will give you 5 presets Equalizer option. So you can select jazz, vocal, bass, club, or studio. You can also make your own equalizer. Select this plus icon, and here you can set it manually. So here you can see I can easily adjust it manually. Once you finish, you can select this save option, and your new EQ is available. The next setting is about Spatial Sound. You can also enable the Spatial Sound. Here you can select which type of content you are listening, and JBL will give you fine-tuned sound experience according to the type of content. For example, here we have this movies option, then we have music option, and then we have games option. The next setting is about controls. So here here you can see we have this gestures section, and here we have the left earbud and the right earbud. For example, I select the left earbud. Now what you can do is you can see all the controls from here. For example, if you single tap, it will activate the noise cancellation, and then if you tap and hold, it will activate the native voice assistant. And then you can also control the calls using your earbud. For example, if you want to answer or hang up the call, you can double tap on the back side of your left earbud, and then if you tap and hold, it will reject the incoming call. You can also customize these gestures. So here is the arrow, just select it, and here you have 4 different options. You can select volume control, playback and voice assistant control, and you can select the none option as well. For example, I select the volume control. Now here you can see if you single tap on the left earbud, it will increase the volume. If you double tap, it will decrease the volume. The next option is for the right earbud. So for example, if you single tap on the right earbud, it will play and pause the music. If you double tap, it will play the next track. If you triple tap, it will play the previous track. So here on right earbud, you can also set up voice assistant. So here you can see the setup voice assistant option. So you can select Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or you can select native voice assistant. If I go back from here, you can also customize the controls for the right earbud as well. Select this arrow, and again you have 4 different options available. The next setting is about voice aware. So you can control how much of your own voice you hear during calls. So you can set it to medium, you can set it to high, or you can set it to low. The next setting is about smart audio and video. So here you have 2 different options. The first one is audio mode. So you can enable the audio mode and it will give you best audio quality. You can also select the video mode and it will improve the lip syncing performance. The next setting is about auto play and pause. So you can enable this option and the sound will pause when you take off your headphones. And once you wear your headphones again, it will resume automatically. The next setting is about left and right sound balance. So you can adjust the audio volume balance between left and right channels. For example, if I enable it, so here you can see I can easily adjust it manually between right and left earbuds. The next setting is about voice assistant. You can select this arrow and here it is giving you 3 different options. You can select Google Assistant, Amazon Alexa, or native voice assistant. The next setting is about voice prompt. You can change the language of voice prompt. So here you can see the language option. Select this arrow and here you can see you have French, Dutch, Italiano, so different voice prompts options available. The next setting is about max volume limiter. So you can enable this option to set the volume below 85 decibels to protect your hearings and extend battery life. The next setting is about Find My Buds. So you can select this option and it will play a beep that will help you to find out earbuds. For example, for left earbud, I will play it from here and then after 3 seconds, just select this continue option and it will play this kind of beep. So this will be really helpful for you if you want to find out your earbud. The next setting is about power saving. If you select this option, here you have 2 different options. The first one is auto standby. So if you enable this option, your earbuds enter standby mode if idle for 15 minutes to save power. The second option is auto power off. So if you enable this option, your earbuds will automatically power off with idle mode lasting for 30 minutes, 1 hour or 2 hours. So you can adjust the time by yourself from here. The next option is about reset to factory settings. So you can select this support option and here you see the number 4 option is about reset to factory settings. Select this arrow and here you have 2 different options. You can reset or cancel. For example, if I select this reset option, it will hard reset these earbuds and it will take you out of the app. The next tip is about how to turn off these earbuds. So you can open the app, select JBL Live Flex, and here you see this power off option. So you can select this power off button, and from here you can power off your earbuds. So guys, this is for today's video. Please like this video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.